Dealing with different behavioral problems is one of the challenges that I feel or I face after Christmas break. Due to some unavoidable circumstances, I had to take responsibility of this group of students who are totally out of control. They are the students who needed more love, respect, discipline, structure, attention, and instruction from me. They do not have this structure at home. They do anything that pleases them. Unfortunately, that is how they were raised by their ignorant parents. Numerous times, I have to visit their parents, but there were only a handful of them who would show moral, academic, and financial support to their children. I couldn't blame these students because they are victims of the unhealthy and corrupted environment. In spite of these conditions, they long to be loved, to be understood, to belong to a family who would accept them for who they are. Every day, I personally pray for each one of them in my personal prayers and in the classroom. Since then, I saw dramatic change in their behavior. They started to show love and respect toward each other. They became cooperative, peace-loving, generous, and they're learning to think more of others and a little less of themselves. God answered my prayers. When I started surrendering my life to Him, He showed me how to win the hearts of these students who taught me to depend on to God, more to God, not to my own abilities. And because of that, God and His patience and faithfulness to me, I am receiving more hugs, sweet smiles, thank yous for this whole bunch of students whom God has given me to grow with. This is Edith Ramos from Albaliti Village, sharing the joy of my experience as a friend, a mother, and a molder of God's precious children.